Stop air frying your tofu. It's a trendy cooking method, but it doesn't do tofu justice. You end up with dry, flavorless cubes that are a sad imitation of tofu's potential. Tofu is a blank canvas. It absorbs flavors and textures beautifully when cooked correctly. Air frying often creates a tough, chewy exterior. It can also make the inside dry and crumbly. This is not the delicious, versatile tofu we know and love. There's a reason why generations of cooks have perfected other tofu cooking techniques. Pan frying, baking, and steaming offer more control over heat and moisture. This results in perfectly cooked tofu every time. Tofu's texture is delicate. It needs gentle cooking methods to retain moisture and achieve the desired consistency. Air fryers work by circulating hot air around food, which is great for crispy snacks, but not for tofu. This rapid dehydration process pulls moisture from the tofu's surface. This creates an unappetizingly tough exterior. Meanwhile, the inside doesn't have enough time to cook evenly. This leads to a disappointing contrast between the dry outside and the undercooked center. Pan frying allows you to control the heat and add oil directly to the pan. This creates a crispy crust while keeping the inside moist and tender. Baking provides gentle, even heat that cooks the tofu through without drying it out. Steaming is the ultimate method for preserving moisture, resulting in incredibly soft and silky tofu. Air frying is often marketed as a healthy alternative to deep frying. While it generally uses less oil, this doesn't automatically make it the healthiest option for cooking tofu. The high heat and rapid cooking time can actually diminish the nutritional value of tofu. Some studies suggest that air frying can create harmful compounds called acrylamides. These form in starchy foods when cooked at high temperatures. Furthermore, air frying often encourages overconsumption. People believe it's a guilt-free way to enjoy fried foods. This can lead to eating more calories than intended, negating any potential health benefits. Let's free tofu from the air fryer. Try these foolproof methods for incredibly delicious and satisfying tofu dishes. Pan-fried perfection. Press your tofu to remove excess water. Cut into cubes and toss with your favorite marinade. Heat oil in a pan and pan fry until golden brown and crispy. Baked tofu bliss. Press and cube your tofu. Toss with oil, spices, and tamari. Spread on a baking sheet and bake until crispy. Steamed silken sensation. Gently steam silken tofu until warmed through. Serve with soy sauce, sesame oil, and chopped scallions. These methods highlight tofu's natural versatility and flavor. You'll be amazed at the difference. Ditch the air fryer and rediscover the joy of perfectly cooked tofu.